Hello, friends! Autumn has come, and it's time to say goodbye to many fascinating birds that migrate to places with a warmer climate. Today, we're going to draw some wonderful birdies and get to know some cool facts about them. Are you ready? Let's get started. First of all, draw a huge top on the left side of your paper and the second drop on top of the first one. What are these? Drops of rain? Oh, not at all. These are bodies of our birds. Now, draw straight lines for thin legs. Here we go. Excellent. And another curvy line goes up. Another leg? Of course not. It's a stem for a flower. These little drops are petals. Next, draw little points for the eyes. We can see only one eye from each side of the bird. However, do you know that not actually all birds have their eyes on the sides of their heads? Pigeons and parrots do, but other birds, such as owls, have large eyes placed closely in front of their heads, exactly like human beings. It's really interesting. Now, I want you to draw our funny drops again, but this time in the middle of the bodies. You have probably guessed that these are going to be their wings. Next, place small triangles on the top of the birdies' heads. These are beaks. Let's draw some grass for our fellas so that they can enjoy warm and sunny days before they migrate to warm countries. You simply need to draw sharp zigzag lines that go up and down like this. And we are going to draw other, guess what? Exactly, drops. This time for the tails. So our birds are ready to be colored. Wet your first bird with water and a clean brush, and then apply blue watercolor over it. So fine and bright. For the second bird, choose pink or whichever color you prefer. Our birds are just imaginary ones, not sparrows or crows. By the way, can you name some birds that migrate from Russia to warmer countries in autumn? I can show you some of them. This is a white stork, a white wagtail, a rook, a northern lapwing, an Eurasian skylark. Let's move on to color the stem and the cross with green. now we are going to color the tail and wing of the first bird with pink. Great job! Do the same for the second bird, but with the opposite color, meaning blue. The last thing we need to do is to color the flower. I think violet looks really harmonic, but again, it's up to you. Choose any color you prefer. Color the eyes with black. And now, our little birds are complete. Great! I like it so much.